Hey guys, welcome to my Temu haul where I will be unboxing a miniature foldable washing machine. Here you can see how they wrap the box in their signature orange Temu wrapper, and they wrapped it pretty good. Took me some time to unbox it. It was taking so long. So enjoy a little bit of ASMR as I open the box. Here you can see I am opening it up, taking off the plastic bag that it came in. I will be showing you that is 4 pieces that came with it. It has a lid, it has a drying basket, a power cord, yes, and the actual washer. Yeah, pretty much. So right now I'm unfolding it. It is a foldable machine. So I just unfold it, and these are the instructions that it came with. It pretty much shows you how to turn it on, how to plug it in, how to put the drying basket in, how to put on the lid, and also how to drain the machine. So yeah, that's what the instructions were giving. Here guys, as you can see, the machine comes with 3 different features, and here you can see that's where you drain the machine, and also this is where you put the power cord in. Yes, I'm going to try it out and let you see. So here I am adding water to the machine. I am adding enough water where it doesn't go over the drying basket, and once I do that, I will remove the drying basket. So here you see it has 3 features: a 10-minute standard washing cycle, a 15-minute soft washing cycle, and a 2-minute drying cycle. So for my first trial, I will be washing just a regular white t-shirt. So that would fall under the 10-minute standard washing cycle. Had a few stains in the front, as you can see. I'm going to show you the cycle that I'll be putting it on, and that's the 10-minute standard washing cycle. Yes, I'm going to add some detergent, that's a powdered soap, and also I'll be adding some bleach, and then let's see. So as you start the machine, as you can see, it's spinning clockwise right now, and then it stops and it spins the other way, spins the opposite way. Okay, it's going. Once the 10 minutes was up, I closed the machine and I popped open the drainage seal and drained the machine. What I did notice is it does not have a rinse cycle, which is very surprising. So once the water was fully drained, I took the t-shirt out just to examine it, and I noticed most of the stains in the front was gone for the most part. I did, as I said before, it doesn't have a rinse cycle, so what I did was I put the t-shirt back in and put it back on the 10-minute standard wash cycle with clean water. And here you can see I'm putting the shirt in the drying basket now to dry it. As you can see here, once you put it on the drying cycle, the 2-minute drying cycle, the machine was just spinning out of control. I couldn't control it. So what I thought was maybe it wasn't secured properly on that step stool that I had it on. So what I did was I placed it on a flat surface where the suction cup was properly sticking to the counter, and that still didn't help. Once you put it in the 2 minutes drying cycle, it started to spin out of control, and I had to hold it down, as you can see. Once this 2-minute spin cycle ended, I took the t-shirt out just to examine it. For the most part, this staining came out in the front. There's a stain on the armpit, which, you know, that's a heavier stain, so I wasn't expecting it to take that out. But comment down below, let me know, because this machine didn't have a rinse cycle. Once you turn on the drying cycle, it was spinning out of control. But comment down below, let me know what you think about this machine. Thank you for watching.